My name is Caitlin Wilczynski, and I'm a product manager for QuickBooks Online. My pandemic plants and I join you from our home in Mountain View, California. We know small businesses use multiple tools to run their business. These tools can include payments processors, CRM software, and marketplace facilitators. These tools all generate important data about your business, but the data exists in different places, and bringing it all together to get a complete picture of your business is complex, time-consuming, and often involves toggling between different screens. Important information like sales details, customer information can all exist in different places. Manually importing this data into QuickBooks is time-consuming, and without this data, it is difficult to have a complete picture of how your business is doing. The key to improving productivity and saving time is using apps. Apps help tools work seamlessly together and help generate valuable insights, which is why here at QuickBooks, we have been investing in building apps to specifically sync data from the tools you use into QuickBooks. Today, I'm going to walk you through the experience of how QuickBooks integrates with platforms like Square and how it helps you automatically bring in data with high accuracy and confidence. To begin, I'd like to introduce you to Ashley. Ashley has a business where she refurbishes and sells vintage furniture. She has been in business for 2 years and is looking to streamline her bookkeeping. The pandemic has made it a tad more difficult for Ashley, and she's falling behind on her bookkeeping as she adapts to this new and unusual business environment. Ashley already uses the Amazon Business Purchase app and decides to look for new ways to automate her data entry. Ashley discovered the app right within QuickBooks on the Apps tab. In case you haven't checked it out, there are more than 700 apps that integrate with QuickBooks, and you can find them right here. Ashley uses Square to accept payments, and having an integration to bring in Square data sounds like a great idea. She begins by clicking Get App Now. The great thing about apps like Connect to Square is that you're able to automatically sync granular details about your sales that are not available in your bank feed. These additional details enhance tracking and reports, which allow you to gain insights such as what items are most profitable. After granting permission, Ashley selects the location she wants to sync with QuickBooks. She selects the bank account that Square deposits her money. This is required so we can automatically match sales against your bank deposit to avoid duplicate transactions and make reconciliation quick and easy. Next, she has the option to record her sales by individual or by summary. This enhancement allows users to select the level of detail that is right for their business. I'll explain the difference a little bit later. The last step is select how far back she wants to sync data. Let's check it out. If you have a Square checking account or have selected manual deposit, you'll be prompted to create a holding account. This holding account will accurately reflect your Square balance in QuickBooks. Transactions that appear on the For Review section have not been added to the books. This allows Ashley to verify accuracy and gives her control over what data will appear on reports and financial statements. To add transactions, simply click Add. Like the Banking tab, you can click into each transaction for more information. Transactions are grouped together by deposit, and a breakdown of important details like sales, refunds, taxes, and fees is included here to provide clarity and certainty. To view all the sales and refunds included in this deposit, you can click View More. Here we see an individual view where each individual sale becomes its own receipt in QuickBooks. You can import or sync customer and item details here. This only needs to be done once per customer and will be remembered into the future. Here we see Summary View, where all transactions in a deposit or in a day's sales are grouped together on one sales receipt. I should call out this is not a two-way inventory sync, but if that's important to you, then there are apps that provide that functionality available in the App Store. Once Ashley adds transactions, she can review them on the aptly named Reviewed tab. You can see what transactions were created and make any necessary changes. For each deposit or day sales, a sales receipt or sales receipts are created along with a matching deposit that is easily reconciled against your bank feed. If you have created a holding account, you also see transfer transactions as money moves between your accounts. To save time, these actions can be done in bulk. All of this saves you time and gives you peace of mind that your QuickBooks Online account is accurate and up to date. Any changes Ashley wants to make to tracking or where things are mapped can be done from the settings. This is also where she can disconnect. Because at QuickBooks, we love to hear our customers' opinions, I want to highlight that if she has any suggestions for improvements, Ashley can submit it here. If you decide to use Connect to Square, you can always tell us what you like or dislike about the app, right here. You can also tell us if there are any other integrations you would like to see on the App Transactions tab, since we're constantly looking for new ways and new partners to bring data in to save you time. In order to reduce the time and effort it takes to uncover insights and grow your business, we are continually finding new and innovative ways to bring third-party data into QuickBooks Online. When brought into QuickBooks, the data generated by the tools you use has the power to uncover unexplored opportunities to scale your business. Combined with AI, this data in QuickBooks can streamline bookkeeping and unlock insights. Our aim is to save you time and improve accuracy while giving you control over your data. Thank you so much for your time today. I'm Caitlin Wilczynski, and I'm proud to be part of the team working for you.